asshole? Can you do something about the fucking people who are out here about to fucking assault me? Can you wake the fuck up and use your fucking eyes, please? Can I have the same liberty as everyone else?
I'm not the police. I'm sorry. I'm not.
Yo, Popo, hey, Mister, get the fuck up. Get up. You're in the train tracks. Hey, get the fuck up. Look, Pop, get up. Popo, get the fuck up. Oh my God. Come on!
Yes.
What do you live stream?
We live stream walking. No, Twitch.
Twitch.
Have a good one.
Can I get on it?
If you want to.
Can I?
Oh, yo, fuck off, dude. You're fucking crazy, dude. Get out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Yo, fuck you. Bro, fuck off. Fucking weirdo. I just whacked him in the face. Dude, he spit on me.
Oh, hey, look at this gator trying to bite me in the face. Nah, it's actually just Casper, so I was just playing around with him a little bit, hanging out underwater, blowing some bubble rings up to see how he would react. And so he just kind of sinks down to the bottom. Isn't it so cool how they can just be floating totally fine and then decide to sink down? But then he sinks down and tries to get a little bit nippy. And that's just really him being more curious, just trying to investigate. And as you can see, I kind of touch him a little bit, but I'm also very careful. If you see him kind of twitchy, I'm very, very careful because these slow exploratory swings where he's just kind of feeling around can turn very quick, very quickly.
Rapaz do céu.
Como é? Esse bicho abriu a boca?
Tá vivo? Tá vivo não.
Oh.
Guys, there's a skimmer on here.
You gotta pay for that. There, don't do that.
Don't do that. Okay? Don't do that. Why? What happened?
This is the skimmer.
What?
See that? The skimmer. What do we have here?
I take care of it.
我操！
哎呦我！
我